Hey guys, what's up and welcome to another tutorial video. Today I will be showing you how to win tournaments easily in Monopoly Go, so let's get right into it. As you can see, sadly there is no tournament currently going on when I'm recording this, however I will try my best to explain it. So what is a tournament? Tournaments are limited time events that happen in Monopoly Go, and when one is active, on your right side of your screen you will see an icon for the tournament, and then when you click on it you will see something like this. So this is an example screenshot for the Buzzing Bees tournament, and as you can see you will see the leaderboard as well as your progress when you click it. And if you want to see how you can gain points for the tournament, you can click on the eye icon in the top left and then you'll have all the info you need. So now to get to the main point of the video, here are some tips and tricks on how you can win tournaments. One tip is if you have any dice you can collect or any points you can collect in any menu in the game, you should save them until the tournament, until the end of the tournament, and when the tournament is close to an end, about 15 to 30 minutes before the end, you can collect everything and you'll get more points. As well as doing anything, rolling dice, doing anything that can get you points, you should wait until you have about 30 minutes left in the tournament and then activate it then, roll your dice then, and then you can easily get a lot of points without anybody actually destroying your things in the game. Another tip is if you've been in several tournaments where you can't win if people are getting too many points, what you can do is not play the next few tournaments on purpose, and then you will be put into a lower skill bracket with other players similar to you who do not get as many points as some other people, so that you can more easily win the tournament. So that's been it, guys. I hope this video has been helpful, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.